Welcome to English in a Minute. Butterflies are some of the most beautiful creatures in the world. The way they float along in the air is so lovely. But what does it mean
to have butterflies?
Let's see how to use this phrase in a conversation.
Hey Anna, how did your presentation go yesterday?
Oh, it went well, but I had butterflies in my stomach the whole time. Speaking in front of a large group of people like that always makes me nervous.
To have butterflies means you feel nervous or excited about something. You might know the feeling of having butterflies in your stomach before a very important event. You can have butterflies before a big test, when you're on a first date, or like Anna, during a presentation. And that's English in a Minute.